The new generation of aerial survey ultimate camera, SHARE 304S Pro, integrating high performance and advanced tech, refreshes the imagination of aerial survey. All views are equipped with SHARE Ultimate module, adopted industry-leading full-frame image sensor, Sony IMAX 455, 61 million pixels with 3.76 micron pixel size for each lens, exceed 305 million total, which brings a new revolution in the aerial surveying and mapping industry. The SML 2.0 prime lens with multi-layer low dispersion lenses and multi-layer enhanced nano coating, filtered UV and IR bands to fulfill image transparently with clear edges even under strong light. The ultra-durable between-lens shutter with 1 million times light, adopting Kimoto high-speed shading blade with a double-layer structure which has an extremely low friction coefficient. Each shutter is time-calibrated before leaving factory, and trigger time arrow is controlled at the microsecond level to ensure synchronization. The 1080p dynamic bitstream image transmission can monitor the working status of the camera, switch 5-view image transmission and automatically adjust the bitstream based on the distance to ensure visual clarity. Users can read the data just by a Type-C cable without connecting to the drone. The copying speed of 800 megabits per second makes the workflow more efficient. Compatible with various flight control systems with J30J21P. It can be redeveloped for multiple mounting platforms with functions remained like operation status, data and image transmission, GCPs free etc. Safe and reliable, accurate and high efficient. These are our new SHARE 304S Pro.